Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an AliExpress haul for you guys. I have a lot over here, but I'm only going to get through a few. It's going to take a while. I'm getting the ones that I had up in Canada waiting for me to film, plus ones that had gotten ordered while I was down here thinking I was still going back to Canada. So yeah, there's a lot. So I'm just gonna get through, and some of them I don't know if I've already showed you guys. I'm just gonna show you whatever I can. The first thing I wanted to show you guys, I got this stamp set, and I love this. This is an amazing looking stamp. I can't wait to see how it stamps out. But yeah, it's a Halloween mansion. Oh, I absolutely loved this stamp. I had to grab it. So I got that one. Another stamp set. Some of these aren't in their envelopes because, like I said, it was taken out and to be shown to me, to show me what had come in so I could mark it as arrived, and it's just all messed up. So here's another one that I had got. Another Halloween one. I love the hat on this. So I had to grab that as well. I grabbed, let me see if I can get all the ones that aren't in the bags done. I grabbed this stencil. I thought that was really pretty. I got, let's see. I got this mold for dragon. I thought that was really pretty, and I really want to try that. I grabbed some, let's see. You should see the pile I have over here. I grabbed some of these. They are the sealing wax. I thought that this arrived in the cutest packaging ever. I mean, I am definitely going to buy from this person again. If I can leave links below, I will try. But yeah, I absolutely love these. I love the colors. Can't wait to use them. So I got those. I got this. I thought this was super cute. Interesting. It's the runes as a washi tape. So I really like that. So I had to grab that when I saw it. I also got some of these sticker pack. They are just like spices. So I really thought this was really pretty. So I went ahead and grabbed a pack of these. Let's see, what else is not in a bag? I said, what ended up happening, the reason a lot of these aren't in the bag, my guy up in Canada, he, while I was down here, he was taking pictures of the stuff that arrived, and he would just take it out of the bag and leave it out of the bag, and he just packed it all together. So yeah, I've been trying to figure out where everything is, and yeah. I got this. I absolutely love that. It is like a pirate necklace. I just thought this was so neat. So I had to grab it. And I really like the chain that it came on as well. I do wish it was longer. The chain was longer. And then it came in this nice little bag. So it's just going to live in there. Do I have anything else? No. Everything else is bagged up. Now, I'm going to show you the ones I've gotten so far of these. These are, cross-stitching kits. Okay, and they had all of the fairy tales as a kit. So I've been getting them a little at a time. They're about $6.36 each. So I, get 1 to 2 at a time. And this one, of course, is the Little Mermaid. So I got that one. You've got the Nutcracker here. So I grabbed that one. And this one is the Wizard of Oz. And I just thought these were really cute. So I've been slowly gathering all of them. This is Rapunzel. And this one has a really, really small picture. It's Anne of Green Gables. So I love that one. And I have more coming of those, but they just haven't gotten here yet. Because like I said, I'm doing it little by little. So, okay. I don't know if I showed you guys this. I think I did, but I had picked up these water bottles. I'm dropping them on the floor. But I had picked up these water bottles for making the alcohol inks. So there's like a bunch of them in here. And they're just a spray bottle. So I had grabbed those. I'm pretty sure I showed you these, but I'm not 100%. So I just figured I'd show them to you again. Okay, and then I've got this big pack, and this is from Alina Craft. So I grabbed, and I really like how she packs her stuff. I mean, she packs it pretty good. Because these weren't damaged or anything. It's just vellum pack. And there are, let's see. I can't remember how many are in here. I think there's like close to 20 or something like that. But yeah, it's just a vellum pack. Let's see if I can open it up and show at least one of them. They're pretty thick. They feel like a, oh, that's because there's more than one. They've got a good weight to them, I think, but they're really pretty. As far as, they're not like completely see-through or anything like that, but I thought, I can make some envelopes with them or something like that. So I got those. This is coming out of the bag, so we'll just go with this one next. It always feels like, you get the label on the one side, and it always feels like there's something else in the bag, but there's not. Let's see. Get a package so you can see this. This is a gnome set. It's a stamp and die set. I thought these were adorable, and it's got a bunch of sentiments on it. I just noticed though, they don't have any Halloween ones on there. Oh well. But then you've got the gnomes and dies here, and they are so cute. I absolutely love those. All right, I'll go ahead and open this bag since it's here. Got a bunch of charms, and I'm not going to take them out. The bag's already ripped and I don't want it to rip more. But you can see it's got just a bunch of different charms in here. So I grabbed that. And we'll go ahead and show one more, and then this will be it for this video because I have so much more to show. I grabbed these. I've got this sticker set, and they're round stickers. They're just of maps. So I'm not going to flip through all of them, but I'll just show you a few of them. So I thought those are really cute. They can go on like the back of tag, or, as a background for a tag or something like that. And they are stickers. I've got this sticker set here, and it's just a bunch of different mushrooms. So I'm not going to take it out of the bag. Oh, these are going to fall. You've got this sticker collection, and it's kind of like just houses and cottages and stuff like that. You've got this one here, and I really like the look of it, but you can see it kind of reminds me of Sailor Moon. That's what it reminds me of. So I grabbed that. Then you have the mermaid. You've got like a bunch of like zodiac in here. And there's 40 pieces in there. And I absolutely love this set. It is gorgeous. Then you've got this one here. It kind of reminds me of like vintage. It's got books and scrolls and stuff in it. The fountain pens. Then you've got this one, which I think this one I got for my daughter, but I can't remember. It's just like funny little labels on there. Yeah, there you go. You guys can see what all is in that pack. Most of them don't have a thing on the back of it. This one, it's just butterflies, but they're really pretty colors. So I got that. You can see all of the ones on the back of here. Then I got this one as well. And this one, again, let's see if I can get it to move a little bit. It is not cooperating. Okay. That one, again, it kind of reminds me of like Sailor Moon stuff. So I went ahead and grabbed that pack as well. And then this one has it on here. These are puzzle pieces, but they're like vintage. They've got, you know, scroll on it and stuff. So I went ahead and got that. And then this one as well, you can see here. I went ahead and grabbed this. I thought this one was interesting looking, so I grabbed that one as well. Okay, and that is all for this video. I still have a ton more to film. I will probably film it another day and hopefully get it scheduled. So that's it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.